Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we're going to talk about CSS, a feature that really puts the pro in Wix Studio. If you've ever wanted to create a site that goes beyond the standard menus, then CSS is how you do it. What is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Think of it as the instruction manual for your website's look. While you usually use the inspector panel to change colors and fonts, CSS lets you write those instructions yourself using code. How do you access the CSS panel? To find it, click the code icon on the left and click Start Coding. This opens up a workspace where you can then code that powers your design. Looks overwhelming, but don't be intimidated. It's a great way to learn how websites are actually built. Why use it? CSS gives you the power to create complex animations, unique hover effects, and responsive behaviors that aren't possible with just the regular tools. It's all about having 100% control over every single pixel on the screen. So even if you aren't a coder yet, playing around with CSS is the best way to take your skills to the next level. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.